Hello all, welcome back. This is Ram Prakash Sami. So in this video we will see how to throw an alert or how we can prevent moving from one stage to another stage in business process flow using JavaScript. So to begin with, let me just first show what I'm just trying to say. So for example, I'm just into a lead environment as a lead table. So I'm just creating a topic. I'll put a last name as test and topic as test. I'll just click on save. So once after the record gets saved, I can see the qualify button. I can just directly click on this qualify button and I can directly move to the next stage. Okay. So for example, if I say qualify, so it qualified from for me from lead to opportunity. So now if I want to block this next stage button, okay, and this previous button, so now if I say it back, it will automatically take me to lead, but I don't want to do that. Okay, and the same way, if I want to block this next stage button, how can I do that? So let's see a quick look on this, how we can achieve this type of behavior in an opportunity table. Okay, so first I have already written the code. Let's review the code what I have written. So what I'm just doing is I'm just going for an onload operation. So in this onload operation, I'm just getting the form context, and in that form context, I'm just adding the pre-stage change event for the what can I say, business process flow. So once after we just change the business process flow, automatically this stage will automatically get triggered. So once after done that one, so for example, after changing this, uh, what can I say? After if user click on next stage or back button, this function will trigger. So at that time, I'm just getting the event argument, and I'm just getting the entity name. And if the direction is previous, which is nothing but a back button, I'm just preventing the default, which is that like I'm just stopping that operation to go back, and I'm just saying that you have selected a previous button, and I'm just providing the title and what is the alert operation I'm just doing. The same way I have written for the next button as well. So I just copy paste this code in my blog and I'll just provide this uh, the JavaScript code in my blog as well. So you can just directly reuse that one. So let's see how we can achieve this one. So from that, I'll just copy this one. I'll just go to my flow. Sorry, the solution. I'll just create a new solution. Let me just say demo solution. It's already there. Okay, perfect. I'll just select the default publisher. I'll say create. So once after the solution gets created, I'll just go to new. I'll create a new web resource here. I'll name it as opportunity.js. Opportunity.js. I'll select the type as JavaScript. I'll click on upload a file. I'll paste this one. I'll copy my JavaScript. Sorry, I'll upload my JavaScript and I'll click on save. Once after this is done, I'll just select this one and I'll publish this one. I don't want to publish all customization. I just want to publish my JavaScript alone. So once this is done, I'll go to my table. I'll click on add existing. I'll add a table. So we are going to write our code in my opportunity. So I'll directly search for my opportunity table. This is my opportunity table. I'll click on next. I'll include all the objects. I'll click on add. Now the table gets added successfully. I'll expand the table. I'll go to form. I'm going to write an onload operation, which is nothing but it want a triggering point, right? So for that, I'm just writing the onload operation here. So once this is done, I'll just go to my events. So here's the onload operation. I'll click on event handler, and here I'm going to add my library which I just created. I'll search for opportunity.js. I'll click on add. So what is the function name? Function name is nothing but the onload. I'll paste that onload operation. I'll pass the execution context as parameter. I'll click on done. I'll just save and publish. Let's wait for the save and publish to happen. Once the save and publish done, I'll go to my opportunity. I'll make a hard refresh here to make sure that our JavaScript loaded successfully. So once the hard refresh done, I'll just directly go to the developer console. I'll dock outside. I'll go here and search for opportunity. Yeah, it is there. So what I'll do now, I'll just put a debugger in my handle pre-stage. I'll click on next stage, so you can able to see the debugger automatically run operation which is available here. I'll just run it. So if I just minimize it, you can able to see it says you have selected the next button. So now I'll click on OK. I'll click on back button. Again my debugger hits. I'll close this one. So you have clicked the previous button. So that's it. So it's a simple one which I have written here. The coding and all the stuff which I have written in a pretty simple manner. So what I have written again I'll just show you. So if I click on previous button, show this alert. If I click on next button, show this alert. Please let me know if you have any queries and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.